Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to change out the battery in a key fob like this one right here. This is from a Toyota Tundra. If you have a Toyota, this is probably gonna be pretty similar for yours. If your key fob looks exactly like this, it'll definitely be just step by step. Check it out. The first thing we're gonna do is push this little button on the side and pull out this little manual key is what we'll call it. Get this key right here. And all we're gonna do is push it into this little slot right here and give it a little bit of a firm twist. That's it. You'll be shocked at how easily this opens, really. That's it. There's no screw, there's no nothing like that. Once you open this up, now we have some electronics. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, I think it's a really good idea to try to keep the oils and moisture off of these kind of components. It'll make this key fob last a lot longer. We'll gently take this out, and there's your battery. The battery you need, one of these, doesn't have to be Duracell obviously, but you need a 2032. If you don't have one of those batteries, I'll put a link down in the description down below that you can purchase some of those. To get the old key out, we're gonna use, to get the old battery out, we're gonna use our key again and very gently, just put it in a little bit of a twist. Again, carefully, gently, there's our old battery. If you really wanted to, you could use a device like this and you can actually test this battery. Oh, there you go right there. Now the button battery is what we're talking about here. So you can see it's just out of the green. It is dying for sure. A new battery just pops right in. So you kind of slip it under this side and then just gently, firmly snap it right into place. There you go. That's perfect. Put it back together. Now, just in case you forgot the orientation, if you look on this side, see the white things? Those are the buttons. So two buttons close together. Okay, yep, that's the top. Just pop it in just like so. Just like that. This piece goes over here. And then just gently, firmly, snap. Easy as that. All right, friends, we'll put this part of the key back in and you are all set to go. Hey friends, thanks for checking out the video. Again, look down at the description down below. I'll put this tester, I'll put the battery, and we'll see you next time.